Alright guys, well before we get into today's video, which is super sad and depressing, let's start off with the winner of the merch giveaway from the video we did a little bit back with Paul and surprising him with a new tank. So the winner of that merchandise giveaway is Brienne Farrell, which you can see her comment right here. So Brienne, congratulations. If you are under the age of 18, please have a parent or guardian contact me via Instagram or via email, which is in my description of every video. I will respond with instructions on how to claim your prize. With that, we're going to be doing some more merchandise giveaways, so stay tuned and let's get into this sad, depressing video today. Hey, what's going on guys? Well listen, I absolutely hate making this type of video, but I feel that it is very important to be open and honest with all of you about what is real life in the fish room. So when we have a death occur, it's important to be open and honest about that and not hide it. So I'm here today to talk about Max and I's favorite fish. This fish has been on our channel from the very beginning and you've seen him probably in a lot of videos. Unfortunately, he's not doing well. We don't have a lot of choice on what we're going to do with him, and we'll get into that in just a minute, but I just wanted to stop and talk to you guys about this for just a second. Unfortunately, we're going to have to euthanize him today, and I hate to have to do this, but I can't stand to sit here and watch him suffer until he goes on his own. You know, before we get into this, let's flash back and look at some of, you know, the amazing moments we had with this little guy, and see you back here in just a minute.
All right, so we have an alien.
He's like, freedom is not free. I got a missile launcher and a machine gun, and I'm coming after you. Yep.
And the storming Area 51 tank is complete. So we got the rail-mounted machine gunner here. We got the sniper in the back there. We have Buzz Lightyear right here because he's space related and that's what Max wanted to put in here. We got the chopper pilot who happens to have a machine gun almost the size as the helicopter, which is awesome. We have the armory in the back. This dude here, which I'm still confused on his facial expression for an action figure, which I think is absolutely amazing. Check him out. Hey guys. Like, he's the party guy of the platoon, no doubt. This dude with his orange sunglasses holding up the green egg. And if you take a look there, Alien Zero has entered the landscape, being protected by the United States military at Area 51. Exploring, trying to figure out what's going on, but what he doesn't know is he's the safest fish on the planet. If anybody crosses his line, they're gonna die. Okay, so what we're gonna do today is we're actually gonna build us a rescue kit for all of the animals that we're gonna be rescuing. What do you think about this? Is this good? I need some feedback from my cameraman.
No.
No, it's not good?
No.
So what would you say if I walked around everywhere we go today wearing this right here?
Please don't.
I mean, like, stroking my mane everywhere we go. Come on.
Please don't do it.
Come on.
Oh my God.
Let's go. And for the last little addition to the Minecraft tank, we're gonna put this little dude like right there. Okay, so the Minecraft tank is done. Let's take a look at the rest of the fish, which I think Brenton already showed you, right? Did you already show the fish earlier?
Oh, I filmed a montage of your camera earlier.
Oh, good. Well, then in that case, since Brenton was so nice to be my cameraman, let's roll this footage here.
I hope this thing isn't in slow motion, because if it is, that'd suck. But what's going on, boys and girls? I just acquired myself a Hellboy cat. I wanted to give you a sneak peek of what's going on. So not this video, not the next video, or maybe the next video, or the video after that. We're doing something with this pretty baby right here. And we've got some ideas, but we want to hear your ideas as well. So if you could drop a comment down below, yeah. I can't do this anymore.
In all seriousness though, Brenton is definitely not a world-renowned betta breeder.
I am the #1 breeder in the world.
I've had this male betta for a good length of time. He's one of the OG fish in the tank arsenal. And yeah, he's kind of sad and he needs a friend.
Well, he needs a heart. needs a spark to maybe make baby better.
I don't think that's the way it goes. I have a little bit of this water from this betta tank right here. I want to make sure that I can cup acclimate this dude. Scoop this little dude right up. We got him right there. So let's go in here and cup acclimate him and get him in there. Alright, so we got that little beautiful blue betta in here, and he has been cup acclimating, and we're about to get this dude off in this tank. Look how pretty he is. Here you go, little buddy. I hope you enjoy your new home. And there he is. This guy is straight up just living life now. He's checking out his new home, trying to figure out what he's got in here. You know, he's been in a bare tank for quite some time, so this is all new territory for him. So, all right, buddy. Well, enjoy your new home, and we'll come check on you in a minute.
Alright guys, well, it was a terrible video to make, and I'm not even going to wish that you enjoyed it. I mean, I hope you do enjoy the content. However, having to put out content like this is a terrible, terrible thing. But unfortunately, things like this do occur, and, you know, he lived a good life. We took care of him, we loved him, and, you know, it's just something that had to happen. I could not stand to see him suffer, so we had to go ahead and do what we did. But I went ahead and did a bunch of research on how to euthanize fish the most humane way. So using clove oil is a recommended method in euthanizing small fish. And essentially the way the clove oil works is when you put the clove oil in the water and put the fish in it, it basically acts as an anesthetic. Just like when you go have surgery or something like that, it slowly, you know, calms the fish down, puts the fish to sleep, and then add enough of it to overdose the fish, which peacefully dispatches the fish. Unfortunately, like I said, we had to do this because I just could not see this poor little guy suffer. You know, he has been on the channel for a long time. I mean, that dude was old, so, you know, and we buried him in the yard, and you know, Max was happy about being able to do that. With all of that, hopefully you guys are enjoying the content. Hopefully you took time to watch this video and understand why we had to do what we did. And, you know, we're grateful for each and every one of you. Now, people have been asking about the 300-gallon. I've addressed this in the last video. We are having a massive aquascaper help us in scaping this 300-gallon tank via video call, and that is MD Fish Tank. So that will be coming very soon. We're starting the process actually today as I'm filming this. We're starting the process of gathering up materials to start scaping this tank out. So stay tuned for that. If you have not subscribed to my channel and turned on that notification bell, make sure you do that so you do not miss the 300-gallon build videos that will be coming very soon. So if you haven't followed me on Instagram, do that now, and hey, we will see you next time.